Hey there, welcome. Today, we're going to get you up to speed on 3 of the most important commands you'll ever use in Microsoft Word: cut, copy, and paste. Seriously, whether you're just starting out or you feel like you could be a little faster, this is for you. Let's dive right in. Oh man, we have all been there, right? You write this amazing sentence, this perfect paragraph, and then you realize it's like 3 pages away from where it's supposed to be. And that little voice in your head says, just delete it and type it all over again. But nope, there is a much, much better way. Okay, so first things first, before you can do anything cool like moving or duplicating text, you have to tell Word exactly what text you're talking about. This is called selecting, and it's the foundation for everything we're about to do. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this. The one everyone knows is the click and drag. You just press your left mouse button down at the start of the sentence and drag it over to the end. Easy enough. But you want to know a little trick? To select a whole paragraph in a split second, just move your mouse anywhere inside it and click 3 times really fast. Bam, the whole thing is highlighted. But what if you need to grab, I don't know, the entire document? Maybe you want to change the font on all 20 pages at once. You're not going to sit there dragging your mouse forever. Instead, just hold down the Control key and tap the letter A. A for all. Control plus A selects everything. It's a massive time saver. All right, so you've got your text selected. Now you've hit a fork in the road. You have to make a choice. Do you want to move that text, taking it from where it is now and putting it somewhere else? Or do you want to duplicate it, making a copy? This is the huge difference between cut and copy. Let's talk about cut first. I want you to think of this like taking a pair of digital scissors to your page. When you cut something, you are literally snipping it out of its current spot. It disappears from where it was because you're about to move it. The original is gone. And then you've got copy. This one is like a digital photocopier. When you copy text, the original paragraph stays right where it is. Totally safe. You're just creating a perfect clone of it, an identical twin that you can then go place somewhere else. So here's the bottom line. Cut moves things. You use it to reorganize your document. The original text gets removed. Copy duplicates things. You use it to reuse a piece of text over and over. The original stays put. If you only remember one thing, that's it. Cut moves, copy duplicates. Okay, so you've used your scissors to cut something, or you used your photocopier to copy it. Now what? Well, that text is just kind of floating in a virtual space called the clipboard, waiting for your next move. And to give it a new home, you need the final command in our trio: paste. Paste is the action that completes the whole process. You just click your cursor exactly where you want the new text to appear, and you hit paste. And the really cool thing is, this clipboard isn't stuck inside one document. You can copy a sentence from a Word doc and then paste it right into an email or another document entirely. It's super powerful. So how do you actually do all this stuff? Well, you've got 3 main options. You can use the big buttons for cut, copy, and paste up on the ribbon at the top of Word, or you can select your text and right-click your mouse to get that little pop-up menu. Or you can use the method that I think is the best and fastest way: keyboard shortcuts. And yeah, speaking of shortcuts, if you really want to work like a pro and just fly through your documents, this is the method you're going to want to learn. It might feel a little weird at first, but trust me, once you get it, you'll never go back. Okay, here it is. This is the golden ticket. To cut, you're going to press Control plus X. Just think of the X looking like a pair of scissors, right? To copy, it's Control plus C. C for copy, that one's a no-brainer. And to paste, it's Control plus V. Now, why V? Honestly, just think of it as the key right next to C, ready to drop your text in. So that's X, C, and V. Cut, copy, paste. And look, why are we even talking about this? Because mastering these 3 little commands will totally change how you use Word. It's about more than just moving text around. It's about working faster, being way more efficient, and feeling confident that you're in control of your document, not the other way around. So, you've got a handle on moving the words themselves. But what if you have a heading that's formatted perfectly? You know, the right font, the right color, the right size, and you want to copy just that look onto another heading without changing the words at all. Now, that is a whole other level of efficiency, and definitely something for you to think